Hey everyone, this is Anna back with another stamping video. Hope you can join in and enjoy this project today. So I've been sharing a few different cards that are good for this coronavirus outbreak with everybody staying at home. I've shared a couple with little animals with face masks on, and I was looking through my stamps trying to find some other things that would be relevant to what's going on right now. And I saw these snow globe dies, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to make a card that says feel like you're stuck in a snow globe, because I don't know about you, but it would be nice to get out and do something and see some humans and talk to them in person. So anyway, I thought this would be a fun little card to make. It's real easy. It won't take very long to make this. I used our Enjoy Life stamp set with this person with their hands up in the air for the inside of the snow globe, and the grass was from there as well. And then I used our Make a Difference stamp set, which has a couple of different three different alphabets in it. And I used that for these letters and also for the help right here. So this will not take us long at all to throw together. This one I made out of smoky slate cardstock, and this one is going to be crumb cake. That's what I had convenient. So I already did the stamping of the words just to save some time. It does take a little bit of time to stick the different letters on and come up with your own saying like this. You could print it from a computer if that was easier for you. So I've got that on my card base already. I'll go ahead and stick this white piece on the inside of the card. This measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I already die cut these with that snow globe stamp set. Or the dies, I mean. Pull these back out. When these were in our holiday catalog, I just fell in love with them. And one of the first things I thought was that you didn't have to just use them at Christmas time. You could use these with anything. You could put a birthday cake inside. You could put an animal. You could put anything you want in these all throughout the year. A little Easter bunny. Easter's coming up. So I cut out the globe itself, the base of it, and then the decorative piece for the base cover. So I will glue this onto here first. There are different ways to glue little tedious things like this on. A lot of times I just use a real thin strip of our multi-purpose glue. I love this stuff. And you do not have to have much of this at all on the back of something for it to stay stuck. So I put it in a few spots on the back and it will stay stuck just fine. So stick that down. Now let's do our stamping. I was going to get ahead of myself and try and assemble this thing without stamping it. So here's the person with her arms up and the grass. This is our Memento black ink. Get her stamped, or him. Seems like it looks like a her, but it could be a him. And we'll put some grass along the bottom here. And our little help. This came from that Make a Difference stamp set. If you can see the little letters that I put each one on individually. And the exclamation point. Help! I need out of my snow globe. So now we will just put this on the front and then we'll stamp a greeting on the inside. Put a couple dimensionals on the backs of these. So I hope you're having fun in your little snow globe. I know some of you are still getting out. Anybody who's out there still working and taking care of all of us. I thank you, especially everyone in the medical field. I'm sure it is not an easy job right now. For all of us stuck in the snow globe at home, we have to figure out how not to go crazy. We're keeping our little ones busy today. We've been giving them lots of jobs to keep them busy, but at the moment, a few of them got sent to the barn because I was like, okay, I'm going nuts. I need some quiet. I'm sure I'm not the only one. All right, so we got the front done. And then on the inside, you could do all kinds of greetings or leave it blank if you just want to write on the inside. I pulled this, hope things get better soon, from the Back on Your Feet stamp set, which has pretty good greetings for what's going on right now. Pretty appropriate ones that I used the one on one of my other coronavirus cards. So hope things get better soon. There you go. I'll bring the stamp set back and the snow globe dies. So if you are stuck in a snow globe, you want to do some stamping, hopefully this is an idea that you can use to make and then send to somebody to brighten their day, maybe give them a little chuckle. So thanks for joining in. If you need to shop for supplies, please do so on my website, scrappingstampingandstuff.com, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have a good day, everybody.